In this video, I want to take a look at how we would find the radius if we had the volume, but not the radius in a sphere. So we know the volume is about 904 cubic inches. We know an approximation for pi, but we do not know the radius. I would use the sphere formula. Volume equals 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. And fill in what I do know. I know that 904 equals 4/3 times 3.14 times whatever the radius is cubed. Now, it's already starting to get a little ugly because we have a fraction times a decimal. Don't worry about that. That is why we use calculators. You are capable of doing it without a calculator, but I am certainly not asking you to do that. So 904 equals, well, 3.14 times the numerator divided by the denominator, 4.18667. Now, I know from these numbers that it's repeating. I'm just giving it enough decimal places to be an accurate number. Radius squared. Still don't know what the radius is. Well, in order to get radius isolated, I'm going to have to divide both sides of this equation by 4.18667. So 904 divided by 4.18667 is about 215.9234. And we're going to get close enough. And that equals radius cubed. But radius still isn't isolated. So we're going to have to find the cube root of the radius, which means we have to find the cube root of both sides. So this side, we're going to find the cube root. And this side, we're going to find the cube root. Now, fortunately for us, you could type this number in on most calculators, and you will find a cube root button. So mine happens to be right there. The number is still on my screen, so I am just going to push the cube root button. And that says that radius is 5.999. Well, let's just round that to 6. So we have about a 6-inch radius. Hopefully that makes that process have steps and have progression to it. I know that the numbers can be kind of ugly, but again, use probably 4 decimal places until you get to the end and do the final routing, but use your calculator, use the tools that we have.